Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my October selfie box. If you're curious to see what kind of items they put in this month, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, we are going to unbox my selfie box. I gotta say, guys, the selfie box has become one of my favorite subscriptions. I love this one and BoxyCharm, and I'm having trouble deciding between the two. They're both $25 a month. Not sure if I'm going to keep them both, but I am for right now. That much I can promise you. So, without further ado, let's jump into what I got in this box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Love their packaging, love their branding. Great, 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 great. Let's see what's inside. Alrighty, dighty. Ooh, spooky. Selfie spooky. Bam. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so I love that they include a card. Tells you how much everything is and a little bit about each product, which is really nice. Okay, so here's what it looks like after I took all that away. Lots of little black squiggly boos. Alrighty. Let's move those aside and grab a product. Looks like I got two of the same thing. 3. Was I supposed to get 3? Okay, so we have Radiant Glow Highlighter IBY Beauty. Oh my gosh, I just got this in another box. I just got this in my Ipsy. I got this in my Ipsy glam bag. So I already know what this is, guys. But I got 3 of them. Why did I get 3? Is that a mistake? Yeah, it's the exact same thing. I mean, for those of you that didn't see my Ipsy video, I will open this for you. But here it is. And I was debating whether or not to give it to my niece. Now I'm certain I'm going to give her some because now I have like 8 million. Why do I have so many? They gave me 3 of these. Okay, we're going to take a quick peek at what this says about it because I didn't get much of a description. Or I did in my Ipsy. Yeah, I did. Okay, so this is IBY Beauty Glow Up on the Go. Full-size version of this is $24. It's an all-in-one on-the-go beauty kit. Includes Radiant Glow, highlighters, minis, and 3 sexy shades. Oh, different shades. Okay, I did not get that in my Ipsy glam bag. We're going to take a better look at that. So the shades are, I know, Prosecco, Purr, and Pink Pearl. Bam. Radiant Glow Fan Brush and Travel Bag. Vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like a set of something. So let's, hang on. Let's move all these squigglies aside. Okay, here's the bag. Oh, so it's all separate. Oh, guys, I am totally botching this up. I'm so sorry. But this is an unboxing, so how am I supposed to know all these go together? So you also get a fan brush. All right, let's get everything together here. So it's saying that I get the 3 sexy shades of minis, the Radiant Glow fan brush, and the travel bag. Okay, so here's everything. Sorry, guys. And the value of this is $24. Okay, so we have 3 different shades here. This is, so this is Prosecco. All right, so let me show you each shade. I'm sorry, I'm totally ruining this video. Okay, so here's the first shade. All right. Should I just swatch it? All right, we'll swatch it. Okay, so there's your first shade. Awesome. And then the next shade we have here is called Purr. Purr. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. Purr. There you go. Purr. All right, that first one was horrible. I should edit that out, but you know what? I probably won't. All right, let's keep going. Oh, so this comes in a nice, different little container. Oh, so it's like white. It comes in the color of what the stuff is. Okay. Ooh, yeah, that's definitely a difference. Okay, pretty awesome. Alrighty, dighty. So next we have Pink Pearl. Is this going to be pink, guys? Oh, it's sealed. I'm not prepared. I'm going to rip the box open because clearly I'm keeping them all because I already swatched them. Just saying. So we're going to just like a barbarian tear into this one because I don't have anything to open it with and I didn't really want to pause the video. Should have been a little more prepared, but I got all these boxes today and I just wanted to unbox them all. So anyway, oh no, I dropped it and you guys know how I feel about, so I had to pause it anyways. let's pause. I will pick it up and be back. Okay, guys, sorry about all this, but you know, it's an unboxing, so it's like I can't backtrack my reaction. Just saying. So let's open this. Ooh, okay, so a nice pinky color, and we'll go ahead and give this a swatch as well. Whoa, hey now, that one's right there. Hello. Oh, look. Fingerprints everywhere. Awesome. So there's that one. And here's the fan brush. What do you guys use these for? Is this what it's used for? This is a fan brush. Seriously, what do you guys use these for? I don't know what this one's supposed to be for, but yeah, there's that. And this is fun. A metallic bag. Hello. It's all quilted and stuff. This is super fun. Look at that, guys. Yes. And it's got their little logo right here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I'm loving this little bag. Okay, so I guess I'll just put all my little findings in my bag. Awesome. Alrighty, dighty. So that was the first train wreck that I grabbed. Let's grab the next thing. Okay, so this is a pumpkin spice under eye cream. I didn't know they made these in scents. Who's the brand? I don't know. It says Tighten and Rejuvenate. I don't, unless that's the name of the brand. I don't know. Here you go, guys. Sorry. That's fun. Ooh, I want to smell this. Pumpkin spice under eye cream. Oh, this smells like heaven. Oh my God. You just like want to eat it, not put it under your eye. But I gotta say that smells absolutely delicious. But guys, look, it's broken. The jar is broken. Can you see that? See, it's like, yeah, it's broken. Wow, I've never had anything like that happen with this one. I will email the Selfie Box people. Their customer service is stellar. That's super bummer though, but it's definitely broken. Oh, what a bummer. I was so excited to use that. Okay, anyways, that is Pumpkin and Spice Under Eye Cream. I think that is the brand name. So it's $55 value. This is... Hold on, guys. 0.5 fluid ounces for $55. Kiss your baggy eyes and dark circles goodbye. Ultra firming eye cream contains vitamin E, pumpkin seed extract, and wrinkle soothing. It's right here. I have no idea what that is. Resveratrol? I don't know. From grape extract to smooth fine lines, minimizes the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, crow's feet, and wrinkles. Cruelty-free, handmade in the USA. Yeah, buddy. Loving that. All right, so I am really excited to try that, but I'm going to have to email them because that was clearly broken. Things happen in shipping. Totally understand. Okay, so this is Beauty for Real. Oh, so the rest of this isn't real? I guess not. Just this thing is. I'm guessing. Oh, yeah, it's mascara. So Beauty for Real mascara. Awesome. It's just black, which is fantastic. Lately in some of my subscription boxes, I've been getting things that are not the right colors, which is frustrating, but because I mean, we take the beauty quizzes, so you would think they would know, but well, this is fun. This is a nice, sleek little tube, and let's see what kind of wand they use. Ooh. Oh, I don't know about this, guys. I don't know. All right, let's have a look at this. Wow. Beauty for Real High Definition Mascara. It's $19 value, and this is 0.31 fluid ounces. So this mascara is awesome. High Def Mascara delivers silky smooth length and definition without smudging or smearing. This is the mascara that rivals any false lashes. Bam! Your real lashes are cleverly separated and elongated with major impact and volume. So it's cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and paraben-free. All right, guys. I'm excited to try that, but I got to say that wand is a little funky for me. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure there's a reason they made it that way. Okay, the next item I got in here is Trust Fund Beauty. What is it? I don't know what it is. Here's the box. Let's open it up. At the top of it, it says, just talk to my lawyer. I gotta try to zoom in on that. Just talk to my lawyer. Not really sure where they're going with all this situation, but yeah, that's... Let's open this up. Oh, it looks like it's a nail polish. Okay. Wow, like, what the heck? Just talk to my lawyer. Yeah, it's definitely a nail polish. Nice little color there. Awesome. Oh, I like the color. I really like the color. Okay, so let's read about this little nail polish here. Just Fun Beauty just talked about $16. $16. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it like it's going to make a difference. $16 value, but I don't know. It's standard nail polish. It's 0.57 fluid ounces. We love this cheeky brand and this natural nail polish. People will bother you because you have what they wish they could. Don't engage. You have people for that. Just Talk to My Lawyer is a dark brown with a hint of a red. So it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, and all natural. All right, that's very cool. I actually quite like the color, but the only thing that I paint are my toenails. So I will use this for my toenails. So that's good. And we have one more item in here, guys. Let's see if I can do this without messing it up. It is a Skin Spectra Pore Camouflaging Primer. So Susan Cosmetics. I always manage to mess something up. So there's your box, guys. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open and see what's happening in here. So this, yeah. Okay. So I always like to open these. I will definitely use this. I'll use pretty much everything. Ooh, it's clear. Wow. It's clear. Can you see it? It's clear. But it's right there anyways. So I'll just rub it in, but it's clear. I always like to smell stuff. Not really getting much of a smell with it. So let's take a look. I don't know what the ounces are on this bad boy, and I dropped the thing. Oh, it's 0.34 fluid ounces. Okay, so this is So Susan Skin Spectra Pore Camouflage. $26 value on this thing. This pore camouflaging primer helps to hide the appearance of visible flaws without leaving skin feeling sticky or greasy. The soft velvet cream texture leaves a smooth, hydrated canvas for makeup so that the foundation effortlessly glides on and color lasts longer. It's powered by vitamin E to assist in reducing the visibility of fine lines, pores, and redness. It is vegan, cruelty, and paraben free. So that was the last item in here, guys. I'm actually quite excited about this little bag. Overall, I'm actually quite excited about it. I'm a little disappointed that the one thing was broken, but again, things happen in shipping. I am sure if I email the Selfie Box company, they will get back to me promptly and correct this little problem. Okay, guys, I just wanted to pop in to update you and let you know that I did reach out to the Selfie company, and they got back to me literally right away, and they will be sending me a new one of the pumpkin spice eye cream. So their customer service is excellent, and I just wanted to make sure I let you guys know that. Let's move on. So that was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was a little all over the place and crazy, but I don't know, that's just my personality. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, because I have a lot more fun videos coming up very soon. I don't want you to miss any of the fun giveaways I have, the DIYs I have coming up. They're all going to be super fun. So make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff coming up. Thanks so much for stopping by to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so here's my box. I love their packaging. Super stellar, great branding. You always know what? Always know what? What do you know? I don't know what to know. Do you know what to know? Let's try it again.